Cities, with their tall buildings and lots of people, have made our lives different from those of our ancestors. They give us lots of opportunities we wouldn't have if we all lived in small towns or on farms. But living close together has its downsides too, especially when it rains. Dealing with all the water that runs off the streets in a city is really hard, and it affects many parts of our lives, like safety, property, the environment, and people's health. So, have you ever wondered what happens to all that rainwater and snowfall that flows down the streets during a storm? Well, stick around because we're about to find out how stormwater management systems work and why they're crucial for our environment. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to learn something new today. Now, let's get started. First, let's talk about the water cycle. When it rains, water falls from the sky and flows over the roads, roofs, and sidewalks. Unlike natural landscapes that absorb water, these urban areas become like giant slip-and-slides, sending polluted runoff of water straight into our rivers, lakes, and oceans. And also, this runoff water then needs to be managed to prevent flooding and protect our environment. And here enters stormwater management systems. These systems are designed to collect, convey, and treat stormwater to minimize its impact on communities and the environment. Let's break down how they work. At the heart of every stormwater management system are storm drains. These are the grates you see on the sides of streets and roads. When it rains, water flows into these drains and is directed into a network of underground pipes. Once inside the pipes, stormwater is transported directly to the nearest creek or river. Just to be clear, there's not usually any type of treatment happening along the way. These sewers are not for waste. Whatever you put into the storm sewer system goes directly into a waterway, so please don't dump stuff in there. Dirt, oil, gasoline, litter, animal droppings, and chemicals such as fertilizers and pesticides are washed into storm drains which are connected to the underground pipe system. This can affect the health of our streams, rivers, and the land surrounding them, as well as the health of the wildlife and fish that rely on them, so we need to ensure the water draining into it is clean. In the past, when it rained, the water from the streets was usually just sent straight into the sewage system. This system is a network of pipes that carries waste out of the city, but using it for stormwater isn't a good idea. The problem is that the sewage treatment plants at the end of these pipes weren't built to handle a big mix of sewage and stormwater. When there's too much water, these plants might have to release untreated waste into rivers or lakes. That's why most cities now have separate systems just for stormwater. Another important component of stormwater management systems are detention basins. These are large ponds or reservoirs designed to temporarily hold excess stormwater during heavy rainfall events and then releasing it slowly back into waterways. This helps prevent flooding downstream and reduce pollution by slowing down the water so suspended particles can settle out. In addition to traditional infrastructure, many cities are also incorporating green infrastructure into their stormwater management plans. This includes things like rain gardens, permeable pavement, and green roofs, retention and detention ponds which help absorb and filter stormwater naturally. And some people also use rain barrels to save water. Rain barrels collect rainwater from your roof, perfect for watering gardens or washing your car. So, why is stormwater management important? Well, aside from preventing floods and protecting property, it also helps improve water quality, protects wildlife habitats, reduces erosion, and create beautiful green spaces. In conclusion, stormwater management systems play a crucial role in keeping our communities safe and our environment healthy. By collecting, conveying, and treating stormwater, these systems help mitigate the negative impacts of urbanization and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this explanation of stormwater management systems helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.